Way back when I first started, when I wanted to work with hammered rings or make my own hammered clasps, what I did was I fused pure silver into rings. I would hammer them and make my clasp that way. But look what I can do now. You know what this one's made out of? Aluminum washers from Amazon. It takes a little bit of effort to get to this point, but it's not too bad. It sure isn't as difficult as fusing wires together, but I think it's worth it. Look at that clasp. So if you want to see how I made this, just stick around and I'll show you how. Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a cool hammered clasp that you can add to any of your projects. I have made one of these clasps before with copper washers, which are a little more difficult because they're a harder metal, but aluminum is super easy. So let me show you. I have this box of aluminum washers and I'm gonna grab one of these big ones. So this one measures 26. Let's see, maybe I'll use the thicker one. So that's 25 or 26. I have a ring mandrel here. Once I shape this clasp, then we'll find a duplicate ring for the clasp to hook onto. I'm going to flatten this down a little bit. I have a rawhide mallet. Kind of make it oblong. But I don't want to lose the round end, so I'm going to slip it on my ring mandrel here. And tap it so I can keep the round end, as you can see. Slip it back on the mandrel. And I'm trying to flatten this other end, trying to pull these two together, but I don't want to lose the roundness of this end. Come through with my flat nose. And bring them together. It's a lot of back and forth of flattening and pulling. Let's flatten it out again. Tap that round. Just gonna try to pound it. There we go. That's what I want. I want this end to come together. Well, this end stays round. There we are. Okay, gotta come through on this side and round out this side a little bit better. Let's flatten it. Gotta get them close enough together so I can come through with my flat nose and and smoosh them. Okay, that looks good. It's a little gnarly right now, but we're going to texture it. texture it till you're satisfied with the outcome. Okay, and then we're gonna bend it towards the ugly side to make our clasp. Take your flat nose pliers and bend it over. There you go. And we need a ring to match. That looks good. And this will latch into that ring, and that's your clasp. So we need to texture this one, and we'll be done. Okay, look at that. All ready for your next project. So we're all done now. I added this clasp to a necklace. Are you curious what I made? Look at this. I made this necklace with a real orchid. So this will be next week's video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, please hit that like button on the way out. It really helps out my channel, and it'll help put it out to new viewers. Don't forget to comment, let me know what you thought. And once again, subscribe if you haven't already. I have new videos each week. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!